Knowledge without practice is useless, and practice without knowledge is dangerous. Welcome to Unlock HR, a community of HR analytics professionals and enthusiasts committed to help anyone learn data science. Our hands on project based courses will guide you step by step in building a portfolio of analytics projects, create projects you're passionate about, and jumpstart your career in HR analytics. Decoding employee satisfaction using R is the second course in our series People Analytics Learn, Practice, Implement. Employee satisfaction is as important as customer satisfaction. All the successful companies are known to promote a strong company culture. Behind their massive success lies a team of dedicated employees. Employees who feel satisfied and happy at their workplace are likely to work harder and be more engaged with their work. Engagement surveys are designed to explore various aspects of an employee's experience, many times covering hundreds of questions. But making sense of the output of these surveys basis engagement scores is just scratching the surface. This hands-on project starts with a fundamental understanding of what is employee satisfaction, various metrics, different survey tools available, and how employee satisfaction can actually impact a business financially. The aim is to make a better sense of the underlying relationships between the aspects explored in a survey. We will use a technique called exploratory factor analysis in R to categorize the variables into factors that will direct the action planning. A Likert scale satisfaction survey was administered, and the first-hand data of 1,400 employees was collected across different departments of an organization. The data used in the project consists of 30 satisfaction indicators and 5 demographics characteristics. The objective of the project is hands-on learning on how to discover and collect data effectively, how to prepare and explore the data for meaningful insights using various methods such as univariate and bivariate analysis, hypothesis testing, application of dimension reduction technique to categorize variables into factors of employee satisfaction, extract major findings and insights from the statistical solution, and understand how the insights will help leaders make strategies and policies to improve employee satisfaction. We'll learn all of these using statistical tool R. Learning the theory behind analytics is important, but project-based learning is the key to fully understand the analytics process. For detailed description, please check out the Udemy description and learning outcomes. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up for this course and start building your portfolio of projects. See you in the class.